From the title, obviously, I'm getting my hair done in knotless box braids, and to be honest, I couldn't do that by myself because I don't even know how to plait, like feeding braids and all that. So I am just gonna let my sister do it for me. My lashes are crazy. I just woke up, don't mind my face and all that. But guys, I already filmed my lashes myself. My video where I like a prep for summer, where I did like a prep for summer, I got my lashes done like near 3 weeks ago, and this week I actually refilmed my lashes. And I know you guys have a lot of questions. Yes, it burned. I had to have my little fan on deck, and it just made me feel nauseous after like inhaling all that glue. So I'm not gonna do that again, but this is my first time refilling my own lashes, guys. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm getting knotless braids. I washed my hair last night, treated it, everything like that. And let me show y'all the color I'm getting. Like, y'all are ready for this color at all. Y'all ain't ready. I was gonna get red at first, but the hair stores did not have red because I think the supplier, manufacturer, whatever, stopped making it red because of COVID or something like that, or other colors because of COVID or something. Man, I don't know, but I had to settle with this color. I really wanted red because I wanted to like do my eyebrows red too, to like go back with it, and that would just look so fair. But I'm going to get these two colors. It's blonde. I think this is 27 and 30, I think. 27 and 30. I cannot get the other color that goes back with it, like a darker blonde, because they didn't have it in the store. So I have to settle with these two colors, and I am getting like butt length. So I bought like 7. How much packs I bought? I think I bought 7 packs of the 48 inch because the TZ 60 inch, they didn't have that either. So my style like I don't want to make it longer, but she is actually on her way, so I am going to bed, get something to eat quickly, and then you guys will see when she gets here, when she starts my hair. Oh my gosh, my mouth is hurting me so bad. Like, I had this pain at the back of my mouth, and my gums look like it tearing. Man, I don't know. I have to go to the dentist to get that checked out, but I can't bite down properly. It just hurts me so bad. If I sleep on the side, it hurts me so bad. But yeah, I am going to get back to you guys when she arrives. Hi, I know I look crazy, but this is me editing right now. So on August 16th, this was Shakira's birthday, so we decided to go on a train, and St. Nicholas Abbey's train. And then after we went out for lunch, but I didn't vlog when we went to lunch because like I think my battery was there or something like that, and like we waited so long for food, so it just wasn't, I wasn't feeling to vlog. We went to Roundhouse, yeah, Roundhouse up, I don't know where it is, I think it's up the West Coast, I think, no, the South Coast, yeah, the East Coast, I think it's up the East Coast. But yeah, we went to Roundhouse, and then when we came home, we just sang happy birthday, and that was the end of that day.
Let me know it would come with you, Shakira. You lies. Let me know it come with you.
This is the birthday girl.
So she has a lot.
39.
I want to tell people like 39 girl.
Yeah?
Oh shit.
Yeah, thanks.
From Pitt. Oh, Money, so cute. I can take a picture.
My
right
twin.
Oh.
Right here. Right here. A big foolish Santa is taking a picture. What's going on? You happy to go on the train? You happy?
You got precious?
We getting ready to go to board the train. Are you ready to board the train?
Come, give me my bag.
Yeah?
Give me my bag.
What's that on your mask?
Band,
On your mask.
my mask.
What is on your mask? What kind of mask?
Paw Patrol. This is a new learn people's mask. Look at it. Ariel. You ready to go on the train? Ready for the ride?
Yeah.
Amani, you ready? The Ariel.
On your left hand side, we have the two oldest mahogany trees on property. These two trees are over 275 years of age. These two mahogany trees were planted in the era of John Allen. He was the founder of the Allen School and from the Bangor Distillery. The two mahogany trees were not planted. Called an abbey but never an abbey. We can boast about it. We have two Jacobian mansions. We have the Great House and we have the St. Nicholas Abbey. The abbey is 362 years of age. On your left hand side we have the old carriage road. This is the road the buggies took in the early 1700s to come to the Great House. This was once the major road in the early 1700s.
America money the umbrella.
But she'd be hungry. Ooh, it's so different
yeah.
compared to last year. Last year was sunny and red, no little cloudy. But it looks good. Yes, it does. I gotta take my pic of last year.
Yeah.
Every time I come out here, it's be like the carpet here is so nice.
I got the money.
It's true. Show you about some of the craft online shit. Nice craft you can get here when it comes to Barbados. I love souvenirs. Yes, good souvenirs on Cherry Tree here. Look at the art pieces. Bring your own monies. Get these nice pieces to remember Barbados by. Your beach towels, your little coin purses, and your hats, and your little socks when you're going to the beach. You got your guys covered. Come over, man. It's raining. I got to take a picture.
Don't slide down.
Are you gonna come here, Teresa? She like it. You have more bread.
Yes. You want bloody hand? So mommy take you.
She pretty great.
I want bloody hand.
Come on, Carrie.
We can't make all of it.
I'm taking a picture. I mean, go. You're going to take it, so. She ain't doing it? Yeah. Oh.
Is everything that I want on? Put on. Am I so unbothered?
Love, Ronnie.
Put your hand on it.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Oh my
to
god, I
you.
don't know her. I don't know her.
How you feeling?
Sing happy birthday for mommy.
Today?
Happy birthday, dear Perry.
Happy
Birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Were you praying, Ari? It was. What? You want strawberries? Read it, need to pray. What do you want? You get cookie. He's a bad boy. Stop in the middle. I don't want to cut my name.
Happy birthday, Adrita.
Thank you, Ari. Ooh, let's see, let's see. What's in the area?
You got friends that work?
I think I got another room. Ari, wait. What do you want, Ari? You want strawberries? Yes, so you know. Yeah, thank you.
That's strawberry?
Yeah, that's strawberry.
Yeah.
Wait.
Hi guys, so today is Monday and I am so tired, like oh my god. Today I am going to the dentist because my gums have been swelling and I think my wisdom tooth is coming up, so that's causing my gums to like hurt and all that, so I have to go get that checked out today. And I have to go to the mall to get a couple things because for those of you who don't know, I do flower boards. I insert some pictures, so someone actually wants a flower board, so I am going to get the stuff for that. And yeah, that's all I have to do today. And today is quite gloomy outside. Last night the rain was falling, also it was chilly. So today is very chilly, but I have on a long sleeve shirt, so I am good. I guess I will talk to you guys when I get to the doctor, and also later I have to show you guys some new skincare products that I got. I don't think it's working because I still got it at March, but I bought something else yesterday, so hopefully it works. I'm going to use that along with the other new products that I got, so I'm going to show you guys that later this evening when I get back home. As I said, this is my first time trying the color, and I really like it, to be honest. She always coming in my area. What, the cockroach? Cockroach moving?
Yes. Let me tell you your order. Let me tell you.
Y'all, she got so much more. I'm waiting on my dad to come pick me up, so when I'm on my way to the dentist or when I am at the dentist, I will get back to you guys. Alright, stop pulling my hair. Alright, hi guys. So I went to the dentist and wait a minute. Alright, so I went to the dentist and she said that the reason why I have my gums swollen is because the wisdom tooth from the top is coming down and it's pushing out my gums, so that's causing me to bite on my gum. So she just told me to like rinse with warm salt water and monitor it, but I have to go back to the dentist in like a month because I have to get like 4 fillings. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Right, and I changed my shirt because outside was just hot, but now the rain pouring, so I kind of regret changing my shirt. But yes, I just came from my grandmother's house because I got some food, and now I am on my way to the paper place. As I stated earlier, I am doing a flower board, so I have to go get the stuff for that. The outside just so gloomy today, and I don't like it. But yeah, I am gonna get the stuff for that and then head home. I'm gonna get home. I'm supposed to be doing something when I get home. Right, I have to go shop for my birthday outfit because my birthday is October the 24th, so I have to go and shop for that. I see Fashion Nova has a sale, so I'm gonna order my stuff tonight. And look guys, I get so hot for my birthday, like you don't even know. I can't wait for you guys to see my outfit. Like, it looks so bomb, and the hair, it looks so bomb. But just stay tuned for that. So I am going to talk to you guys either tomorrow or later this evening, because this is a week in my life vlog. I haven't done one of these, so I told myself that I can do it because I filmed me doing my hair on Thursday or Friday? Thursday. And yesterday I filmed me going to the train and to eat and stuff for my stepmother's birthday. So today I just decided to film for the day. I just call it like a week of my vlog, and I vlog for the rest of the week. So I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So yes, I'm going to talk to you guys when I get home or tomorrow, as I said. He doesn't want you to hold his hand. Alright, it's okay. Come. This way. Come. This way. So today is Tuesday and I did absolutely nothing today. I just did the board. Well, I made the flowers for the board that I'm doing. Sorry, I look so bad right now. I made the flowers for Aria. Is a road. Come cross here. Walk across there. Look, Granddad there. Don't run to Granddad. But yes, I just made the flowers that I made the flowers for the board that I'm doing. And it's evening time. I know I am up St. up in my old neighborhood. This is all the colors that my dad is selling. Aria, come. I'm money, get up. Come, you have to go this way. Ari, come. Well, this was what I did today. I did the shits for the flowers. I have to farm them some other day, but I just did all the white today because it's a white and paint, but I did all the white. And the rest I have to do this set here, but I'm not doing that today. I was doing this for the whole day, so I am gonna stop and I'm going to eat and go right in the bed, and I will get back to you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what I have planned for tomorrow, so you guys will see in a bit. So good night. Blue, say hi. Uncle Dan, say hi. To my vlog. To my vlog. It was quiet and nice. Say hi.
My mother just showed you too.
Oh Lord, I am not dressed.
Leave me alone.
They come to see a money. I'm money sleeping. Oh.
Stop and fear that much.
I am fearing nobody.
Why not laughing?
You good? So Shae and I decided to go to a bar called Six Mix Bar. Is on the South Coast. On Wednesdays, they usually have a special where you get 10 wings and chips for $20. So we just decided to go, had some wings and chips. It was a good chill vibe. So yeah. I did limited edition. I tell you, Papa. Okay, so I have to move fast because my phone is at like 10%, but I took off my bottom lashes and I have on no lashes, so I have to work around that. I'm going to be using this micellar cleansing water. I'm going to put it on my wet wig and then just take off my makeup. I'll show you how I'm bottom lashes. Put some on the white and then remove my makeup. So now I'm going to be using this CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser, and I feel as though everybody knows about this product all over TikTok, Hiram, you know the vibes. So I just decided to try it out. I had this for like a couple of weeks and I don't really have any pimples anymore because it's like an acne foaming, it's an acne treatment. So I don't really have pimples anymore. Thank God. I just have to get rid of these dark marks and then I Gucci. But I'm gonna put a little in my hand like this, rub it on my hands, and then I already wet my face by the way, and then I just massage it onto my face for a minute. Alright, so now I'm gonna wash this off and get right back to you guys again. Okay, so now that I just washed off the cleanser, I'm gonna just pat my face and dry it. Alright, so the next step, everyone's favorite right now, like everybody going crazy on social media about this product. This is the Ordinary Peeling Solution. It's said to pat face or wait until dry and then apply a small amount. Well, apply evenly. I use this Monday and today is Thursday. I'm only supposed to use it twice a week, so this is my second time using it for the week. Where it said apply evenly across face and neck using fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Alright, so let me shake it up. And I am just going to apply some on my face and then rub it in with my fingertips and leave it on for like 8 minutes the most. Because I don't want my face breaking or anything, so I'm going to leave it on for like 8 minutes the most. And if it comes to the 8-minute mark and my face is all fine, and I'm going to move it to 10 minutes and then wash it off right away. So I move it fast because I kind of work with diet, so you know. So I just washed it off. I only left it on for like 6 minutes or so. My next step, I'll be using this serum I had for a while now. I am like literally to the bottom of it. I have to get the serum, but I'm gonna be using this serum. And my next new product, I have this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is the travel size, and I just bought the travel size because I wanted to see how it would work. So after this, I'll buy the big one if I like it, but I'm gonna apply this now. And that's it for this mini skincare routine. I showed you guys my new products, so I will keep you guys posted for sure about the new products I got. But this is the end of Thursday. This is the, I don't even know, but stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm not sure what I have planned for tomorrow yet, so stay tuned for tomorrow. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is Thursday. Well, I live in too slow. Today is Friday actually, and I am going with my sister to her nail class. I'll be the model, so I get my nails done today. And yeah, that's all I have to do today. And today actually I did over my makeup. You know the makeup y'all saw yesterday. But I did that over because it's a video for my makeup page, right? But the positioning was just so off and it looked bad, so I did it over and it looked much better. So it looked much better, so I want you guys to stay tuned for that video. I put a lot of hard work into it, and if that ain't dedication, do I know we make it again the next day the same way as how you did it before. If that dedication, I know it is. But I am about to go now. My sister is coming, so that's all I have to do today. Today is Saturday and we are shopping. Aria,
that pictures.
there's a princess.
Yeah.
Go and walk, go. Come now.
I know she is going to eat big mascara.
Aria, Amir.
Take a
And-
look at this. Well, wait till my nails get put on. You see
Seriously? Anyways, I went to my makeup store at Lanterns Mall and I got a couple things. Let me show y'all a quick haul. This is how I'm looking right now. said it's just too hot. But I can show y'all what I got. It was a 50% off sale. So you know I had to cash out because I have a makeup business. So I had to get some stuff. So let me show you guys. I got this facial brush. It has the logo on it sculpted. It's just like a facial cleansing and exfoliating brush. I had one of these before, but it mashed up. And this was for $10, guys. $10. My favorite spray. If you come to me for makeover, you know that I use this spray, and everybody always says it smells so good. It's a peachy scent that you guys have to try it. I got this Illegal Brow Mascara, Brow Dusty Mascara. I don't own a mascara, a brow mascara, so I bought this. And I got this ColourPop lipstick. This is called Dulce. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I actually swatched it on my hand, but it ripped off. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's this beautiful color. Two of y'all. This is it. Let me show you this light. Right, y'all see that color? So beautiful. I got that. Then I got this Browy Illegal Browy pencil. It's a retractable pencil, and I needed a dark brown pencil, so I got this. Another setting spray, matte setting spray, because I don't have a setting spray than this. This is not really like a matte finish setting spray, you should say. This is just like set everything in place after I would have put on like all the powders and stuff. I use this, and this is the finishing spray to finish it all off. And I got this foundation that I wanted to try. Beauty Creations Flawless Day Foundation, medium to full coverage, and I tested it out in the store. Covered all of these dark marks, and it looks so sweet. So I can't wait to try this foundation. I'll keep you guys posted on this, and it is cruelty free. So I just can't wait to try this foundation. Like this, but those are all the stuff I got today, and I am currently with my mother right now because she's getting her nails done, as you guys have seen. Aria. So I'm just chilling here for the rest of the evening, and I'm here with the kiddos. Ari, come and say hi. Come. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Alright, go and say it down now. So yes, they're looking at the fish. Where the fish?
She said that she normally do full sets and a 1.5 hours.
He's driving. Look at what he's driving.
Yes.
That is manual. Manual.
Where's Aria?
Shh, I can't drive that, man. I want to drive it so bad. That looks so good. What you doing with it? What you doing with it? Say hi.
What's up, buddy? You good?
Say hi.
Hey, what's up? You all good? Yeah, it was doing right. Alright, now wait, next one.
And Shaebaess is leaving.
Mom.
Mom,
Bye-bye.
if you see my lollipop, don't eat it. No.
We can do something. Bye-bye.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yeah, $20 wings. Bye-bye.